The Office of the District Sports Officer Nong Stoin in West Khasi Hills District today honoured all the youths from the district who brought recognition to the district by participating in the recently concluded state-level youth exchange program held in Shillong. The felicitation ceremony was held in the premises of the Deputy Commissioner's residence in Nong Stoin, attended by DC Garrett L.S.N. Dykes, BSAIM, DSO and other dignitaries. Two youths from the district of Banrap Lang Wanyang and Job Silen Kar Do Sao were selected to represent the country at the international level.
Ibadan bok adu kata-kata Banten kadai district kadai ke Ruspa hati liang barok nak liang jong ke saudong sapun kach ke bangilek ilong ke internet patung juru ya ke jenglong perkomlong jong inong west.
The Rilang Education Society collaboration